In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Asana. This is an essential skill for those who want to better manage their digital workspace environment, whether you're downsizing, reorganizing, or simply decluttering your professional life. I want to ensure you feel confident and informed by the end of this tutorial, so let's dive right into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website by heading over to www.asana.com. Once there, log into your account by clicking the login button. Make sure you're logging in with the credentials associated with the workspace you wish to delete. If you're the admin of the workspace, which is a crucial role in this process, the next step is to remove all members from the workspace except yourself. This is because Asana requires that all members be removed for a workspace to be completely deactivated. It's a good idea to notify your team beforehand so they aren't taken by surprise. Now, to start the process of deactivating the workspace, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of your Asana dashboard. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll need to select the admin console. This will direct you to a new interface where you'll find multiple tabs, each offering different administrative functionalities. Locate and click on the Members tab. This section lets you manage the member list for the workspace. Here, remove all members from the list, ensuring only you remain. To do this, click on each member's profile, and you should see an option to remove them. Systematically go through the list until they've all been removed. Don't rush, take your time to ensure everyone has been removed correctly. After this step, the final task is for you to leave the workspace yourself. Again, click on your profile picture, but this time navigate to Settings, then select Account. Here, a series of options regarding your account will unfold. Look for the Delete My Account option. It's imperative to note, though, this will only work for the workspace and not affect your other Asana activities. Clicking Delete My Account will lead you to choose Remove Me. By doing this, you successfully remove yourself, signaling the end of your presence in the workspace. Following these steps will effectively deactivate the workspace, and you can rest assured that your digital environment is now less cluttered. And there you have it, the complete guide to deleting a workspace in Asana. If you need more help, don't hesitate to revisit these instructions or explore the support options that Asana offers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been clear and helpful in assisting you with your Asana management tasks.